Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to give your lips that perfect pop of color while keeping them hydrated and looking full. Charlotte Tilbury's Hot Lips 2.0 Lipstick in Glowing Gen. If you're someone who values a rich, hydrating lipstick with a satin finish, then this one might be just what you've been searching for. First off, let's dive into what makes this lipstick stand out. Charlotte Tilbury is no stranger to luxury beauty, and the Hot Lips 2.0 collection takes that prestige up a notch. The lipstick comes in a sleek, stylish bullet form, simple yet elegant, which fits perfectly with the brand's chic vibe. What makes this lipstick special is its formula. Infused with Orchid and antioxidant extracts, it offers much more than just color. These ingredients help provide long-lasting hydration to keep your lips feeling soft throughout the day. The finish is a satin texture, which means you get that gorgeous, velvety look, not too shiny and not too matte. It strikes the perfect balance, creating the illusion of fuller lips without looking too heavy. The shade I'm reviewing here, Glowing Gen, is a soft rose that delivers a natural yet flattering tint. It's versatile, and you could wear it to work or on a night out. What's even better is that the color is buildable. So if you want to keep things subtle, one layer will do. But if you're in the mood for a bolder statement, you can easily build up the intensity without any uneven patches. When I first applied the lipstick, I noticed how easily it glided on, which is always a plus for me. The texture is smooth, and I could feel the hydration almost immediately. There was no tugging, which is a common problem with many lipsticks. It's perfect if you've got dry lips, or if you're just looking for something that keeps your lips feeling nourished while still providing rich color. Now, when it comes to real-world wear, this lipstick holds up quite well. While it may not be completely transfer-proof, it does leave a stain behind after a few hours of wear, especially if you're sipping on a drink or eating something. For a lipstick with a hydrating formula, that's impressive. It doesn't completely fade away or dry out your lips like some other lipsticks do after a couple of hours. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this lipstick is incredibly hydrating, which is a game changer for anyone with dry lips. It's also buildable, so you can tailor the color to your liking. The satin finish is perfect for a sophisticated, fuller look. The shade Glowing Gen is versatile and would suit many skin tones, making it an excellent option for a staple lip color in your makeup bag. The packaging is high-end, as you'd expect from Charlotte Tilbury. On the flip side, if you're someone who prioritizes longevity and transfer-proof formulas, this might not be the best option for you. It's hydrating and comfortable, but that means it may not stay put as long as matte lipsticks. Also, the price point is definitely on the higher end, so this might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Is this lipstick worth the investment? If you're someone who loves a high-quality, hydrating lipstick, the Beautiful Satin finish, and you're okay with reapplying it throughout the day, then yes, it's definitely worth it. If you're after a more long-lasting, transfer-proof option, there are other lipsticks on the market that might better suit your needs at a more affordable price. As far as alternatives go, you can find more budget-friendly options that also offer hydration and a satin finish. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal have lipsticks with similar features that are easier on the wallet. To sum it all up, Charlotte Tilbury's Hot Lips 2.0 in Glowing Gen offers a beautifully hydrating formula with a luxurious satin finish that's perfect for everyday wear. While it may not last as long as some other lipsticks, it more than makes up for it with comfort and versatility. If you're willing to splurge a little for the luxury feel and fantastic hydration, it's a great pick for your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.